Hello and welcome to the broncolor studio. In total there are 5 Siros kits, and this short video is about the differences and the possible applications of these kits. However, before we start talking about the kits, I would like to have a quick look at the units themselves. Siros is available with 800 joules and with 400 joules. They both have a power range of 8 full f-stops, and this means that the Siros 800, the unit we have here, goes down to 3 joules, and the Siros 400 goes down to 1.5 joules. So on a bright sunny day when I shoot outside, I can dominate the sunlight with my 800 joules. Back in the studio I can work with a tiny little bit of flashlight, only 1.5 joules, and therefore I can open the aperture on my camera and work with a very super shallow depth of field. This entire large power range of 8 f-stops is fully color corrected. And this means that when I change the power on the unit, this has no influence on the color. When I work with a more complex setup with more than one light is very high in power, the other one very low, the color is still the same, which is of course very convenient. Another very interesting feature is the short flash durations. The shortest possible flash duration on all Siros is 8500 per second. However, the shortest flash duration at very low power is maybe not the most interesting parameter for me as a photographer, because I would like to have still some power available for my shoot to work with an acceptable depth of field. Let's say if we work on power level 6, that's just 4 f-stops below max, so therefore I still have a lot of light. I can still work with a 7500 of a second flash duration, which is still very short. HS is available on all the units except the 400S. And in combination with the broncolor app, I can program my Siros additionally with functions such as delay, sequence, interval, and alternate. From a light shaping point of view, the external flash tube is very important. So the flash tube is not built in the lamphead, but it's outside. And this, of course, is important if we want to shape the light correctly. Let's say if we have a reflector here, the light source, the flash tube, is actually inside the reflector and not behind it. So these reflectors are very effective and we can shape the light properly. This is as well important with softboxes. Here as well as the light source is not somewhere back here, but inside the softbox. So these reflective parts of the softbox are actually working properly, reflect the light back to the front diffuser. First of all, we have more light on the front diffuser. All the 400 or the 800 joules actually arrive here, and the softboxes are evenly illuminated. However, you don't have to be afraid to break your flash tubes or your protecting glasses during transportation, because Siros is shipped with these universal reflectors. You can use them as well as an umbrella reflector, and they protect your protecting glass and your flash tubes properly during transportation. So let's talk about the kits. Behind me you can see the Siros Expert 400 kit, obviously with 2 Siros 400 in it. The kit is as well available as the Siros 800 Expert kit. The light shapers you get with this kit is on one side a softbox 60 by 60 centimeters. On the other side, an umbrella, black, silver, with a diameter of 85 centimeters. Also included in the kits are the 2 stands, synchronization RFS 2.1, and for emergency sync cable. All this is nicely packed in the flash bag too. The 2 Siros are horizontally in it. You have enough space for additional accessories, and on top of it you can put an accessory bag for your, I don't know, for the stands or for additional light shapers. With this kit you are prepared for already a lot of applications such as headshots, weddings, but thanks to the softbox I think you're already as well quite nicely prepared for advanced light shaping, direction, beauty photography. What might be missing with this kit is the third light. And that's where we move on to the Siros Pro kit. The Siros Pro Kit is only available as a Siros Pro Kit 800, so with Siros 800 in it. Light shaper wise, the umbrella is replaced by an octagonal softbox. So instead of the silver black umbrella, you get an Octabox 75. And additionally, you get two normal reflectors L40. These normal reflectors allow you to work with more punctual lights, more like spot effects. Of course, the next step would be to add grids on it. These grids, however, are not part of the kit. Beside this, you get the same accessories. Of course, now 3 stands, and you get the larger flashback 3. And now the 3 Siros are actually standing in it vertically. The last 2 kits we have to discuss are battery operated. Okay. In this small battery, I just took it out of my back pocket. There are 440 flashes at full power in when you use a Siros L400, and obviously 220 flashes if you are going for a L800 Siros. The kit is called Outdoor Kit 2 because there are 2 Siros in it, and you can have the Outdoor Kit 2 with 400 or with 800 joule units in it. The battery is simply plugged in like this, and you are ready to shoot wherever you are. Light shaping wise, we are back with the Expert Kit, which means you still have the 60 by 60 centimeter softbox, but the octagonal softbox is away, and you get again the umbrella, black silver umbrella with a diameter of 85 centimeters. Transportation, you do not get the flashback 2 as seen before with the Expert Kit, but you get the outdoor trolley bag. On one side, very convenient if you have to pull it around in the city because it has wheels, like the ones you have seen before. But if you're in the mountains, if you're on the beach, you cannot pull it on the floor. Obviously, you can use it as well as a backpack, very conveniently. Working outside, HS might become more important, but in this situation, you have to get as well a RFS 2.2 trigger. This was it regarding the kits. I hope there's something for you. Thank you for your attention. Bye-bye.